We founded Precision Auto Glass in 2015 because we believed Long Island needed a local brand to service its demanding customer base.
From the beginning, we focused on presenting a clean and professional business that pays attention to detail.
Our goal is not to be the fastest or the biggest, but to be the best.
We don't take shortcuts. We remove everything that's required to properly do our jobs. This includes wipers, cowls, or moldings, anything that gets in the way of us doing the right job.
We make sure to thoroughly clean both the new glass and the body of a car to prepare your car for the best bond possible, which is paramount when it comes to your safety.
One of the biggest differences with our work is that we apply the adhesives directly onto the glass. This minimizes the seams and will ensure that your windshield will never leak.
At the end of each job, we work above and beyond by cleaning all of your windows and give your front mats and dashboard a wipe down. When I mention to people our Google reviews, I do it because I'm proud. To me, it means that our hard work is paying off and that our customers are happy.
When we founded Precision Auto Glass, we didn't just want to say that we were delivering quality. We actually wanted to deliver quality. It's taken us a long time to get here, but we feel that the company that we built is truly what we envisioned.
We care about every car we service, and we try to grow that feeling throughout all of Precision Auto Glass.